Start my day with me as I get ready to work as a 30-year-old pretty girl living my best life. Clock it! Thank you for watching how I started my day. Now relax. Let Stessie guide you on how you can recreate this type of lifestyle video using both paid AI tools and free AI tools.
The first thing to do is to head over to ChatGPT to get your prompts and your images. GPT is free of charge except for image generation. You have like 5 or 6 per day. After that, you wait for the next day. So when you come to ChatGPT, you tell ChatGPT what you want. So I want to guide you step by step so that you know how you can do it by yourself. But if you want the prompt, I can send it to you. If you comment and request for the prompt, I can drop it. So when you come to ChatGPT, you see what I said. I need a prompt to create a lifestyle content like video of a young girl filming her daily life from waking up to dressing up to eating breakfast to entering her car. I want it in 15 seconds each. You know that AI is garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you tell ChatGPT, that's what it will give you in return. So the only thing is need to modify and make some changes. So it now give me prompt from scene 1, waking up, scene 2, getting ready, scene 3, quick breakfast, scene 4, leaving the house, scene 5, getting into the car. So it does up to 5 scenes. Now I have to read through all these scenes to ensure that that is exactly what I want. So you have to do the same. Now I need to generate the images from each scenes. So what I did is I still tell ChatGPT, give me prompt to generate the description of each scene. For instance, she wakes up in a cozy bedroom, picks up her phone. She so I want a prompt that will show the scene description, i- including the outfit. For instance, waking up, she is on a luxury nightwear and bonnet, something like that. Do you understand? So this is what I sent to ChatGPT. Now I have to give me description, character description, scene description of each of the scenes. You can see this is the image prompt for scene 1, image prompt for scene 2, image prompt for scene 3, just like that. So my prompt is ready for my image. What I need to do is to generate my image. So you can actually generate your image from ChatGPT, but I've exhausted mine for today, so I'll have to use another free tool to generate my image. So I will be going to Gemini Flash for image generation. So I'll just copy scene 1. I'll copy this image description for scene 1. You just click on copy. For easy copy, just click here and click on copy. It's already copied. So we'll go to, so we'll be using Gemini Flash for image generation. You open the Gemini Flash. So when you come to Gemini Flash, you upload your character. If you have a character, you upload it immediately. Me, I already have a character, so I just have to upload the character I have already. Then I'll now paste the prompt I got from ChatGPT to get. I already have my character already, but if you don't have a character, you can also paste this prompt like this and it will generate the character for you. So once you do that, you hit generate. So this is the image Gemini Flash generate. You can see it's looking so fine, but if you want it in 16:9 aspect ratio, you can change it, but this is 9:16. So this is just an example. I've already created all of these things. So that's how you copy each of these character description, scene description from ChatGPT, scene by scene, and you create all your images. Once that is done, you now head over to the AI tool you'll be using to create this image video. So we're going to be using Nextify.ai for this. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you free AI tool that you can also use to get the same uh, lifestyle video like this, because the first clip, like when it was saying start my day with me as I prepare for work, was actually generated with a free AI tool. But this Nextify AI is a paid AI tool, but it's affordable and it's very smooth. I'm going to be copying my prompts from ChatGPT, the first in one. I'll copy it, then upload a reference image. One good thing about this Nextify is that you can upload 9 different reference images at once, and you generate at once. I can generate up to 30 seconds per generation. It's very cool for people who create AI movies. So I'll just copy and paste. So now I have finished editing my prompts. So I'll just go, I've copied and I'm going to be pasting it here. Then I'll add my reference images. I'll paste my prompts here. Remember, I copied this prompt from ChatGPT. I've edited it. If you look, you will see where I wrote image 1. So I will attach my reference images now. So I'll just use 2. This script is in 7 scenes, but I'm creating it to 2, like 2 scenes in one video, 2 scenes in 10 seconds video. So what I'm going to be doing now is to attach, to ensure that I get consistent character. This place I wrote image 1. I'm going to delete the image 1, then attach the particular image I want. So once you type at the image, the reference images you uploaded will come up. Then you choose the one you want. So I'm going to be choosing image 1 for this. That's how you have to do. That's what I said. You have to edit your prompt, so as ensure that you place the appropriate images where it's supposed to be, so that it won't be very difficult for you. So I'll just look for another place where I have to attach image, and I will also attach the image. That's how you have to do throughout your prompt, so that you get consistent character. So I've finished attaching my images. So what I will do now is to select my aspect ratio. I'll select 16. Then the seconds, I'll make it 10. So that I'll make it 10. And let's leave it at 11. Then, okay. That's all. Then I'll now hit generate. I'll give it time to generate. So as it's generating, I'm going to be creating the last one. I'll just go and copy my prompt, then I'll paste it here and create the third one while the other one is generating. So I'm going to be creating the last clip now. I've copied my images. I've copied my prompt, so I'll just attach the prompt here. After editing, so I'll also upload my reference images. This is this. I'll just upload the main ones. So I'll just select 16:9. Then I'll make it 10 seconds, or maybe 11 seconds. Okay. Yes, I'll leave it at Cadence 2.0. You can select Cadence 2.5 if you have enough units, and you can create up to 30 seconds video at once. So once you are done selecting all of these things, you hit generate and to start generating. So this is the first one. I'm not showing so well here. I'll play it now. This is what came out. This is the second prompt. So what you do now is to combine the whole prompts. This is the second video, second clip. So what you do is to just combine all the whole clip and you have your video. So this is exactly how to create lifestyle vlog video for your personal use or for your business. Now, this is very easy. It is beginner friendly if you follow step by step as I have just shown in this video. And for the free AI tool you can use to animate or get this kind of video, the first clip I used Google Flow. You can use Google Flow. You can use Gemini Flash if you still have free version. But if you generate up to 30 videos, you have to pay. Check my previous video, the video before this. You will see how to use Google Flow. I made it very simple for beginners. Thank you for watching.